His name's Kevin. He can't grow a beard. He's got a big ass head. Oh, hey, what's up, bud? Today on the show, we're gonna be cooking up something a little, something different. I know you've never seen it before, but it's American. Little MRE. Now, for you people that are uninitiated, MRE stands for Meal Ready to Eat. Everything you need is in here. Other than one special ingredient, it's all you need is a bottle of water. So the first step is opening this bad boy. Take out the contents. See that it's empty. Now this is one of my personal favorites. For you guys that have been in the service, maybe you can chime in. But the chili mac is the best one. It's hands down. Okay, so let's go through what's inside an MRE, at least this one. So first thing we got, vanilla pound cake. And then we got the wheat snack bread twin pack. And this little pack's got our salt, moist towelette. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, it's got some salt, napkin, non-dairy creamer for coffee, moist towelette, some ground red pepper, we're gonna need that, pack of matches, probably not gonna need that, little bit of sugar. What the hell is this? Oh, this is instant coffee. Some after dinner mints. You got your spoon. Let's see. Okay, now this is the beverage powder, which they always tell you not to drink this stuff because some people get sick from it. So we're not gonna drink this today. I'm gonna mail this to Kevin's house. Now this next thing is the best thing that comes in this thing, okay? Cheese spread with bacon. You put that on the wheat cracker. We're gonna do that. Where's the goddamn date on this? Now we get to the main meal, the chili mac. Doesn't look like much, just typical green pack. Okay, so now we have to set up the heater to cook the meal. So we're just gonna open this up right here at the top. Now, the instructions clearly say, do not overfill. So we're gonna fill to these lines. Now we just put the meal inside here, just against the heaters. Okay. So, and we're gonna place it back in the box. I'm gonna rest this sitting here on my knife. Get a little nice little incline going. We're gonna give this about 3-4 minutes. So while we're waiting, let's try this cracker and the cheese. So these are what the crackers look like. Look, they look like little pieces of bread. So we're gonna take this badass cheese. What you know about this cheese, Kevin? You don't know anything about this cheese. Don't know shit. Spread it. Oh yeah. It's all got little things on it. I don't know what that is. But yeah, you just use this to spread it too. I mean, when you're at boot camp and you're eating this stuff, you don't give a shit. I'm gonna have diarrhea later. All right. It's still good. Okay, I think it's been long enough, so we're gonna take it out of the box. So we're just gonna take it and open it on the serrated edge. And this is what it looks like inside. Ew. But trust me, it's good. So we're gonna take a little bit of our government-issued salt, some government-issued ground red pepper, mix this up. Now it's time for the taste test. It's pretty good. Roll, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, scoot up. Got Roland here. He's gonna try it too. Here you go, bud.
That is good.
It's good. So, I don't know what kind of sorcery you're gonna come here with when you get back from Africa. You're gonna try to cook blood diamonds or something, but you ain't gonna be better than this. A little dessert, bud. Don't eat too much of that.
Alright.
6-year-old pound cake. Ooh, it smells good.
Oh yeah. Mmm.
Tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Put some cheese on this. Damn. Well, that's it for this week. Like always, Kevin, you're the worst. Put some cheese on this. Damn.